How to use ClickUp marketing projects properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ClickUp is one of the most versatile project management tools for marketing teams, but beginners often make mistakes that slow progress and reduce efficiency. Most people get this wrong, but here's why setup matters. The first mistake is not customizing your workspace. ClickUp offers lists, boards, Gantt charts, and more, yet many users stick with default views. Without customization, tasks and deadlines become confusing. Tailor your workspace to match your marketing workflows, whether it's campaign planning, content creation, or social media scheduling. Another common error is underutilizing task hierarchy. ClickUp allows tasks, subtasks, and checklists. Beginners often create too many standalone tasks, losing context. Use subtasks for campaign steps, checklists for approvals, and link related tasks to ensure clarity. A third mistake is ignoring automation. ClickUp provides automations for recurring tasks, reminders, and status changes. Manually managing these leads to missed deadlines and wasted time. For example, you can automate status updates when a blog post moves from draft to review, keeping everyone aligned. Many teams also fail to leverage ClickUp dashboards and reporting. Dashboards provide insights into project progress, workload, and KPIs. Neglecting them makes it harder to spot bottlenecks or optimize campaigns. Set up dashboards that reflect your team's priorities. Finally, collaboration mistakes are common. ClickUp allows comments, mentions, and file attachments directly in tasks. This means communication spreads across emails or chat, causing delays. Keep all project-related discussions within ClickUp to maintain clarity. To master ClickUp marketing projects, customize your workspace, organize tasks hierarchically, automate repetitive actions, monitor dashboards, and centralize collaboration. Avoiding these mistakes will turn ClickUp into a powerful marketing engine that saves time, improves alignment, and drives results.